Hey, Denny, and I'm back to my I Spy a Stang, and that's my sapphire blue. That is gorgeous. I'm gonna guess it's an 18. Nope, I want to get the plate in there. That is gorgeous. Oh, 17. That's beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Stick. Yeah, 6-speed stick. I don't know, I don't think those are. It might be original tires. And then the shark print LED. Oh, it's got a little darker trim. Things down the lines down the back. All right, very nice. That's my color though. I can't tell you if it's a GT or not, but anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment. Catch you on the next I Spy Stang.